We start this video off in the dark for once to reveal the glow-in-the-dark feature of the ThyssenKrupp buttons. Yes, you can actually see there it glows in the dark without any input source at all. This is purely photoluminescence. Let's switch the lights back on and reveal the back of it there. Yeah, that's just the standard frame that goes on, but the back of it there with the ThyssenKrupp logo actually hiding the back of the screw there, well, the head of it, I guess. And there's the button itself. Back of it with the part numbers and stuff. That's the part number for this unit with the single up button. And the date of manufacture there, the 20th week of 2007. This one does have a bit of rust on it, but that's fine. Doesn't really affect operation. The button there, the standard style, the orange one this is, the older version. You can pop it out by doing that. Out it comes, revealing the circuit board with the clicky switch, the LED up there, and the two resistors and the connector there. Nothing else really on this. Let's focus onto the button, showing the metal bit of it, and yeah, back of it there with the spring. Let's get my torch back and hold the light up to it just a few seconds, and take my torch away, and you see it glows there. Right. Well, not that bright, but it's noticeable. And yeah, that's what these buttons are really. And if you look at the back of it, there's 4 pins there. That top one is the positive LED, bottom one, that bottom one is the negative, and those two are the switch contact for wiring it up, if you need to wire it up. I would use Arduino wires, but I do actually have the right connector for this because I got the interface board that this connects to as well. But yeah, these do actually glow in the dark, which is a fun fact that most people haven't seen, because well, you don't tend to see these lit in the dark, or any lit in the dark really, unless the emergency lights are dead as well.